It's a tug of war, battling to keep my sanity. Say no more, say no more. I love you but I can't keep killing me. I look at myself, I wonder why you don't recognize who you traumatize me. Now what do I do? Pick up the pieces and go. I've adored the time I had living this fantasy. Now I'm looking for a way to better me, a remedy. I look at myself, so do I you recognize who traumatized me. Now what do I do? Pick up the pieces and go.
I can only run so fast away. All these fucking problems stay the same. I can't even bother another day. Just stuck in place. Baby, I'm a monster, a monster. I've been working till my brain's off. Give a fuck the damn cost. Baby, I'm a monster, a monster. I ain't even had a damn drink hanging over my sink. Baby, I'm a monster, a monster. That was way too much pain. Thought I could feel a thing. No, baby, I'm a monster, a monster. Just let me go, I'll find it alone. Play with all these issues, I can't play it off again. Feel so trapped inside my mind, it never ends. Always falling to a time of decadence. Luxury around me tied up to regret. Wish my soul was bust down, heart so cold, dust now. Choose a face, use my case.